Shelbyville is a small town, but we have a lot of fun, exciting things that a lot of small towns don't have. Our downtown really thrives on our antique shops. We also have stylish boutiques, fun restaurants. You can also have fine dining. If you like to shop, you can visit our outlet shops of the Bluegrass that has over hundreds of designer stores for you to visit. Shelbyville is the American saddlebred capital of the world. Why wouldn't you want to come here and see these beautiful horses? We are in Kentucky, so not only do we have horses, but we have bourbon, and you can visit our distilleries. There's always events going on. There's car shows, our horse show, downtown street party concerts. There's so much that Shelbyville has to offer, from our vibrant downtown to the fun restaurants and shops. It's a wonderful place to live, a wonderful place to visit. Why go anywhere else?